Hello folks, and good morning on this Saturday morning. The job today is to clean the basement. Clean the basement of the RV, that is, or the storage space you might want to call it. So let's get started. The basement is full. I need to purge a few items that I don't use and need to look at some different containers now that we've been camping for a year. And maybe get a little better organization going on here. So first, let's unload the basement. So there's a little toolbox, there's a water hose, there's an extension cord, there is another extension cord, there is a box of stuff, a battery charger, and the list goes on. Just in case. So let's move the camera and start on the other side and unload that side. We have some lawn chairs, we have the doormat, and other miscellaneous items that need to come out of there. And after we get all this out of here, we will bring in the shop vac, clean things out a little. So there is light at the end of the tunnel. Let's vacuum this out now. You'd probably agree there is a better way to store some of this stuff. Toolbox is not too bad. It contains most of its items. These cords are problematic. All these pieces it requires to level and chock the camper, they get in the way. A little bit of everything. The doormat. Okay. Let's figure out how to get all this back in here in a more organized fashion. So a trip to the Lowe's store got us a few containers, and let's see if we can organize this a little bit. These are all the things it requires to level and chock the camper. Put them in one box. That seemed to work out okay. The battery charger and the just-in-case first aid kit. We'll put that in another box here. That looks better already. We'll throw these cords and hoses in these oblong containers. See how that works for us. I think that'll be all right. Got 75 foot of hose there plus another 6-footer. And I've got a 25-foot extension cord camper plug-in. We'll load those in now on the other side. And that looks pretty good. Kind of have a miscellaneous container here now with a few things. Pair of gloves, a air hose extension, a adapter from 30 amp to 50 amp, a compressor reducer for the water hose, a water filter which I've never used but I intend to use. Need one drill to lower and raise the stabilizers. There you go, much better. Still have room to put the floor mat, doormat, and chairs in. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Good day.